Hello, class, it's Zane. I'm just giving you this help video because I obviously didn't explain what I wanted you to do with the writing task, which is this one here. So where it says Nummer 2, Woche 7, Lockdown von Montag, den 6. September. And it is the one with the moat. Well, I tell you what to do. So basically, you are going to be doing a piece of writing on this document here, Schreiben. Was gibt es in Auckland zu sehen? So it says Schreiben, writing. Was gibt es in Auckland zu sehen? What is there to see in Auckland? Copy page 3 of the booklet and paste it here. Write out the paragraph, replacing the pictures with words. So what I should have explained more fully was which booklet. So if we go back to our classwork and we're looking at go to classwork, and what we want is Nummer 3, Woche 6. So that's this one here. And we have this booklet, Im Verkehrsamt. So if we open that, you should have done this. Okay, someone has written on this already. So that's good. Although I think I did one per person. I hope so. So this here is the paragraph that you are going to be copying. Okay. So let's say I copy this. Yep. Okay, I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to put it on there. Control V. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the whole thing out. But instead of the pictures, I'm going to put the complete words. So I put, es gibt den Skyturm. Ist sehr hoch, 328 Meter. Von dem Skyturm kann man die ganze Stadt sehen. Es gibt das Schifffahrtsmuseum und das etc. etc. Okay? So you can either write it here, es gibt etc. Or you can get rid of that box if you don't like it and you just write it out as a paragraph. Okay? So hopefully that will explain a little bit better what it is you need to be doing. Okay, get in touch if not. Always get in touch if you've got questions, guys. All right? Okay, just done.